Thank you, DTM Sundaraman. Good morning, everyone. So
Good
today
morning.
I'll be evaluating both the speakers on the parameter content, the content of the speech. To start with the first speaker, DTM Satish Kumar, the title Together Separately kind of gave me a gist of what's going to come. And I think it's brilliantly given title, Together Separately. Though it sounds oxymoron, I think it absolutely fits to today's environment, how we are all in separate houses yet connected together via a video conferencing. Very well done. I like the way you set the stage and you brought out the need of the hour for today, and you picked up two video conferencing tools and you gave a comparison. Today you had only one technique in place for the content, and that is called the advantage comparison. So you picked up two video conferencing tools, the WebEx and the Zoom, and you did a comparison. The first brilliant way to do that is to ask the participants what they want. So you ask them, they gave you 3 out of the 5 features you were about to list. So most of your content was done by the audience itself. And you went ahead and did the comparison. So you had the cost, user-friendly, recording capability, screen sharing, and the secure features in place. Both Zoom and WebEx came pretty close by to each other, and you concluded the speech saying, I would prefer you to use Zoom if you're not sharing anything personal, or WebEx, you decide based on your situation or your need. Now, moving on to what could have been better in the content. Satish, good speeches will always supply only one type of evidence. But a great speech, I was looking forward to an evidence balance. Today in your speech, you are doing only a simple comparison looking at 2 features. I was looking for data, survey, and any other citations or sources that will support your argument. And nothing of that sort was presented in your research and presentation. So to conclude, you have done a decent comparison of 2 video conferencing tools. Have you done an extensive research? I would say a big no. Only a good source, citation, and references would have backed your theory even better. So the next time you're doing a research, do it extensively. Moving on to Toastmaster Jai Chitra, you today read the Steve Jobs commencement speech in 2005, and you had 2 brilliant stories. You just read the story as Steve has given it during the commencement. I loved both the stories. The content was very, very satisfying. The first was a personal story where the adoption story was simple, short, yet it was very gripping. Followed by Steve's dropping out of the college, and after 17 years, how did he go back to college and how he learned calligraphy. When he was in college, he didn't know how to use it, but when later part of life, when Macintosh was given, that's why we now have beautiful fonts. Moving on to the second story, Love and Loss. He was fired from Apple, but he started Pixar, and in Pixar only he met Lauren, the love of his life. So the entire crux of the story was connecting the dots. Now you read the story beautifully, it was all coming through to me. What could have been better in the content perspective? JC, I felt you could have given the crux or the snippet at first, because it was very tough to connecting the dots with these 2 stories. For example, you could have first said, this is a speech that Steve has given, where he first goes out of college. He learns calligraphy in college. He didn't know how to use it. But later part, when he started Macintosh, that's when he used the calligraphy to bring up the fonts. That was 1. And 2, he was fired out of Apple, which was very bad. But when he looked back in life, that was the time he found the love of his life at Pixar. So all the while in his story, when he was moving forward, he was not able to connect the dots. Only when he was looking back in life, he was able to connect the dots. Here I present to you the connecting the dots speech by Steve Jobs. So this snippet would have given me a lot more of insight of what is to come, and I would have understood both the stories even better. But having said that, I felt today the pace of your reading, the kind of accent that you had today was really overwhelming, and it came right through me, and it gave the right kind of emotions that I had to have in the speech. Very well done, Satish. Very well done, JC. I will now hand it over to Toastmaster Aarti to talk about the organization of the speech.